Hello, welcome to the video. In this question, we're first asked to sketch the line containing these 2 points. The points we're given are -5, -6, and -2, 6. So let's first sketch -5, -6. I have an x-coordinate of -5 and a y-coordinate of -6. So I go down to that point. There it is, -5, -6. We're going to distinguish between the first and second points because later on in the question it asks us to. So my second point is -2, 6, and I'll do that in green. So my x-coordinate is -2, my y-coordinate is 6, so there's that point, -2, 6, where's that comma, 6, there we go. And now we need to sketch the line, so we'll want to get our straight edge and connect those 2 points together. And remember, after sketching a line, you always want to take up as much of the coordinate plane as you can and put arrows on both ends of the line, indicating it goes forever in both directions. So we've completed the first part of this question. We've sketched the line. Now they ask us to find the run and the rise from the first point, which is what we put in blue, to the second point, which is what we put in green. So let's think about starting at that first point, and first we'll think about the run. So the run is, if I'm going from this point to this one, how many steps over do I have to get until I'm lined up perfectly with that point? So my second point that I'm trying to get to is this green one. How many steps over do I have to go from my first point to line up with that? I have to go 1, 2, 3 steps, and they're stepping from left to right, so they're 3 steps in the positive direction. So I'll say my run there equals 3. Now let's look at my rise. How many steps up do I have to go, up or down, do I have to go from this point to get to this one? So now let's count those out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 points up. So my rise is 12, and I consider it a positive number because I was moving from the bottom of the graph towards the top. If instead I'd been moving downward, I would have made this a -12. So we've now computed the rise and the run, so now we're asked to find the slope of the line. So to do that, remember our slope formula is that slope is equal to rise divided by run. So my rise here was 12, my run was 3, so I have the fraction 12/3, which I'd like to reduce. You can think of it as a division problem. 12 divided by 3 is 4, so in this case my slope is 4.